Hey, it's our first official pre-Cal lesson since we've been quarantined. I know y'all are so excited to do math while you're home, but hopefully we'll get to see each other soon. I know we got to keep working on some pre-Cal while you're out. Instead of doing normal notes, I'm just going to give you some examples from your IXLs. We have already gone over these in class this previous week, but I just kind of want to reinforce some stuff before we learn anything new. So starting off, if you have your unit circle, I would go ahead and get it out. It would be very helpful for this lesson. The first question is, in which quadrant does the terminal side of a 225-degree angle in standard position lie? So if I draw my unit circle or a coordinate plane, here's my x-axis over here. I always start at 0 degrees, and then I need to go in a counterclockwise position. So I would start at 0, go up to 90, 180, and a little bit more. So this would result in a 225-degree angle. So it looks like it would be in quadrant 3. Here's your quadrants in case you happen to forget. So remember, the terminal side is the side that the angle ends. So it terminates over here in quadrant 3. Okay, next question. This one wants to know, which quadrant does the terminal side of a 330-degree angle lie? So same thing, I am starting at 0 degrees. I will go up to 90, 180, 270, and a little bit more to create a 330-degree angle. So this angle looks like it terminates in quadrant 4. Alright, now we are moving to a negative angle. So I still start at 0 degrees, but this time I need to move in a clockwise position. So I'm going to start at 0 and go 45 degrees in a negative direction. So if this was 0, here's negative 90, negative 45 would be right in the middle. So this quadrant would, or this angle would terminate in quadrant 4. Alright, next example. Alright, so looking at your answers, you can tell you are going to select either the x or y axis. If I have a 720-degree angle, that's obviously over 360 degrees. So I know 360 plus 360 would give me 720 degrees. So I would start at 0 degrees and make one complete turn, which would get me back to 360. And then I would make another complete turn, so I would end up on the positive x-axis. This one's a little bit harder. So instead of knowing the degree, we also need to know what the radian would look like. If all of you have your unit circles filled out, you should be easily able to find negative 7 pi over 4. But if not, let me show you or give you a reminder how to convert it to a degree. Okay, so let's just start by converting this. I have negative 7 pi over 4, and if I'm going to go from radians to degrees, I want my pi's to cancel, so I would multiply by 180 over pi. So pi divided by pi is just 1, so I would just multiply negative 7 times 180 and divide it by 4, which should give you negative 315 degrees. So like I said, if you have your unit circle, you should be able to easily find 7 pi over 4 with 315. But if not, you could do a quick conversion on it. So now let's think about what that would look like on a unit circle since it's a negative angle. If I want to draw this out, I am starting on 0 degrees and I will go clockwise 315 degrees. So I'm going to start and go to 90, 180, 270, and then a little bit more. So this would result in a negative 315 degree angle. So it looks like it would be in quadrant 1. Alright, that's it for the examples for this IXL. If you ever have any questions, just let me know. I have my number posted on Google Classroom. and feel free to call or text me anytime you need help. I'll talk to you later.